What we have here is a handhole with an enclosed junction, a secondary line that comes into the handhole, connects to the junction, and continues onward, and a primary line that passes near to the handhold and junction. Now let's say we want to add a service connection at the handhold that connects to the junction. Now before I start, note that my automatic connection and containment method currently set as geometric proximity with a 3.5 foot connection tolerance. Okay, so I'll select Draw Underground and then choose Draw Service Line with Duct. Now take a close look. I'm hovering over where I want the service line to start, and you can see three things listed in the tooltip. Let me zoom in a bit closer so you can really see it. The first is a link icon indicating that this service conductor will connect to the junction. The second is a link icon indicating that my segment will be connected to the handhold. And the third is a tap icon, although if you look closely you can see a little red X. So really I should call this an I could tap but I'm not going to icon. Now here's where it gets interesting. If I slowly move the mouse down, I can move on to these icons and control them. So here I am on the Don't Tap icon, and if I click it I can change it to a Yes, tap this icon. Likewise, I could turn the link icons on and off. What you're seeing here is a powerful but subtle AUD feature that lets you leverage the benefits of the geometric proximity feature and still have fine-grained control over what gets linked. Now note that once I move the cursor beyond the icons, I lose the ability to make any further changes, so I'll just finish up that service connection at this point. Now let's take a different approach. I'm going to go to the configuration menu and switch from geometric proximity mode to geometric snapping. Okay, now I'll start again to draw an underground service with a duct. Already you can see a big difference. Indeed, because the handhold and the duct are slightly offset from each other, it's not that easy to have both the handhold and the junction appear to be connected. It only works if I snap to the inside red line, which is the junction itself. Geometric snapping is much more particular about when a connection is proposed. Okay, so because it's so particular, let's use a different approach. I'll forget about getting both connections. I'll make a connection to the handhold and I'll just draw the service where I want it. Now that the service is done, I'll resort to plan B. I'll select the service, and in the dashboard I'll hover over the conductor and click on the link icon when it appears. And you can see here now that the conductor isn't currently linked, but I can click on it to establish the link. Want to learn more? If you're evaluating AutoCAD utility design or working on a configuration, consider getting a set of DL Consulting's comprehensive training and reference manuals. Better yet, contact DL Consulting and have us deliver an on-site training and implementation planning session tailored to your utility's specific requirements. For more information, visit www.dlconsulting.net/AUD.